guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. I'm joined by Umenier Owetiski. Nje.
Bamkipile.
Vaya, you am corrupt.
Bamkipile namhlanje ubona. Bamsapile today.
Oh Makaula. Yeah. Bakumbule. Yeah.
So great, Stivos.
Yeah. There was a mistake from the coach. Awunza nje.
Oskaya da.
Kiskara ne. Okay, sure.
Great, Stivos.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. Okay, yazi Stibo. Angithandi mfethu ukukhipha ama player ngawan. Yeah, I think uyangazi ne.
Yes.
Yeah, but lento ngibuyisela back ekuthenini ngike ngasho before ukuthi uma sikhala ngombatha akusikhona ukuthi sithanda izithakazelo zakubo okanye sithanda isibongo sakhe. I think sengiyayikhuluma lonto leyo. I think be after game day edabi.
Yes.
Yeah. And ngizokubonisa ukuthi why ngisho kanjalo. Ngihleze ngikutshela ngithi football is a game of patterns. Uyibambile.
Ngiyayibamba.
Yeah, asibuyele.
Ngiyayibamba.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Umbatha udlalela uMoremi half space through. Which means first 5 minutes we game.
Yeah.
Moremi uyahluleka ke ukufica ibhola so rest ezokhona ukuthi a convert.
Yeah.
Uyaphinda futhi uyabuya udlalela uMfukeng. Through. Phinde futhi ebuye ngayi first half udlalela abantu udlalela uReal. But le kuyona engifuna sibheke ile ka 3 minutes.
Yes.
Asibuyele back egolini lesilokhu equalize.
Yeah.
51 minutes.
Yeah.
First 5 minutes we second half.
Yes.
Udlala through for bani uMoremi udla inet. Lento ibonisile nge 3 minutes ukuthi vele game plan isekutheni sifuna ukubabamba ngama through akuphi ala ku half space. 2 minutes before Umbatha adlalele uMoremi bekade uApolice wadlalela uMoremi lamshiya unfortunately lamshiya uMoremi lelo bhola leli. So if Umbatha ezokhona 3 minutes ukudlala leyo through ephinda abuye 51 minutes it shows ukuthi yini ama patterns bebesebenzela kona kuphi ejimini okanye ku training or beku game plan.
Yes.
As I always say, football is a game of patterns.
Kona nelinye uMenyer mangalitrephanga.
Yes. Okay, asibuyeleni lana Sibo. Ngizobuyela kuleli goal lethu leli ka 1-1. Sibo, if we spethe ibhola it's either like let's say siyabuilda from goal kick. Sibuilda ku half yethu and then if sikhona ukuthi transition from half yethu see something like it's khona it's a cyclic play la sis approach khona isenza after a cyclic play sesikuphi kuma attacking zones like closer to zone 14 whereby la sesiyo score khona, right? So for iBuccaneer today notice something uma sesikwi cyclic play around la esenza ngiye ngathi nje uthi ngithatha isikhathi ngibheke ukuthi si quick kangakanani ukuthi si reach I box yala escora khona okanye ipala la escora khona. Well, before si concede goal for us from a center to a box besithatha around about 15 seconds to 25 seconds. Yeah, in between from 15 seconds to 25 seconds ukuthi si reach in box. If ngithi si reach box ngikhuluma ukuthi lapho si create chance okanye sibe ne shot on target okanye off target. Bekusithatha nje 15 to 25 seconds. But after iswelele sikorile second half mesibuya, remember ngithe leli goal lika Moremi libuya bani libuya kuMbatha. From a cyclic play around the center kusithathe only 5 seconds to reach i-box yani yeswelele. Yazi why Siwe? Because of le through ball le dlala ubani uMbatha. Normally njengoba usithatha 15 to 25 seconds, it's because besidlala around i-press. If sidlala around i-press, which means i-ground siyal spread, sidlala wide, sidlala kuma channels kanjalo kanjalo, understand? But now njengoba besithi desperate sifuna igoli, ingakho besidinga yini ama through balls la besisiwadlala. There is why kuthathe 5 seconds ukuthi sisuke from a center to reach in i-box le bescora goal. Remember, football is a game of patterns. Well, Sibo sengizoyivala nje ngeke ngibe mude. I hope uma kuphela isizini angeke kufike ekuthenini sikhumbule igame yeSundowns le yase Pretoria le sidlale khona 1-1 la bengekho khona uNtebu Homkwena. Leyo game leyo bekufanele siwine sayika ama chance. I hope angeke kubuyele egamini le yase FNB versus iSundowns. La sathula khona ama chance more than 5 ngefirst half sahluleke ukwa convert. iSundowns yathula ama chance ayi2 yawa convert. I hope angeke sibuyele egamini yesikhukhune ya this year la sibhenje khona uRile noApolice. Sahluleke usenze njani siconvert ama chance. I hope angeke sibuyele egamini ya today la sithola ama chance crazy anothi created esithola ama chance more than 8 ebekufanele siwakore. Yes, we need to give credit to goals, but sometimes nathi ama technique ethu if isikhahlela we just blast i-ball. I hope angeke sibuyele egamini yanini yanamhlanje. Uyabona ukuthi le yonke lento engibalela wona ifaka amaphutha okanye before ekuthenini as convert in ama chances sinjani esiwa creative sigcina si dropa in ama points. We drop uRile noApolice sadlala i-draw. Sahluleke ukuthatha ama chances ethu versus iSundowns FNB sadliwa. First leg ePretoria sahluleke ukuthatha ama chances sadropa in ama points. Today sahluleke ukuthatha ama chances sadropa in ama points. Yabo ukuthi kune pattern. Remember ngihleze ngitshela ama pattern ukuthi khona ama patterns are negative nanjani na positive. And currently sibhekene nepattern enjani negative. Football is a game of patterns. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Mania.